So you brought your vehicle to us for paint protection. Quality is our top priority, and this is our process. Prepping is the most important key to a good install. So our first process is washing the vehicle with the foam cannon, with our deionized water system, and then we do an Iron X removal. So we use the Iron X removal to remove all the iron particles off the vehicle's paint so we can get a good bond for the paint protection film. We clay bar the paint to get off all of the tree sap, any debris or any bugs that are on the vehicle's paint. To ensure a seamless install, we remove all of the emblems. Now that the vehicle is prepped and polished, we can start installing paint protection film. The vehicle is now fully protected with our ultra matte paint protection film that protects against any rock chips, scratches, any road debris, or anything that will harm the vehicle's paint. And now it's ready to hit the road.